Respected correspondent madam, teachers, dear parents and beloved students, a very happy Independence Day to everyone. Today as we gather under our national flag, we remember one of the most precious gifts we have received. Freedom. On August 15th, what we got? Independence Day is not an historical event. It is our responsibility. Freedom gives us rights, but it also gives us duties. For future of our country depends not only on our leaders, but also our children who are sitting before. They are the builders of India tomorrow. Dear students, you are the greatest strength of our nation. Who are the greatest strength of our nation? Children. Please listen here. Your education, your character, and your discipline and your values will shape the future of society tomorrow. Success is not measured only by the marks. It is measured by honesty, hard work, kindness, and respect. Service to the nation. The Sri Spark Upper Primary School, our mission is not to only educate the children, but to build the responsible citizens. We believe that every child has an unique talent, and it is a duty to identify the talent and make it shine. We contribute to provide a quality education, strong values, confidence, communication skills, and modern learning opportunities. They are the result of combined efforts of teachers and parents and students. I sincerely appreciate our teachers. A teacher is not just someone who teaches a lesson. A teacher shapes the mind. A teacher will build the dreams. Your patience, your commitment, and your dedication are shaping the lives of hundreds of students. I thank each and every teacher for working in the Sri Spark School for your hard work and sincere service. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the parents. Your trust in our school is our greatest responsibility. Education becomes successful only when the parents and teachers work together. As I continue this partnership with a mutual respect, shared commitment towards the future of our children. Dear student, let me share a simple message with you. Dream big. What you have to do? You have to dream big. Work hard. Respect your teachers and parents. Read books. Ask questions. Be disciplined. Learn English. Be confident. But never forget your mother tongue and your motherland. Use technology. The habits you develop today will decide your futures tomorrow. Once you repeat with me, the habits you develop today. Once you repeat, the habits you develop today. Say, repeat with me. Hey, repeat with me. The habits you develop today. Say along with me. The habits you develop today decide your future tomorrow. Our country needs scientists, teachers, doctors, engineers, entrepreneurs, farmers, and artists, soldiers, and responsible citizens. Whatever the profession you choose the excellence, work hard. Whatever the work you do it with honesty. Whatever the success you achieve, remember your nation. India is rapidly moving towards the bright future. We are witnessing a remarkable progress in technology, space research, education, entrepreneurship, digital nation, and infrastructure. This is the age of opportunities. The child sitting in our classroom today will become the leader of tomorrow. The child sitting in the classroom will become the leader of tomorrow. You are the future leaders. You are the future scientists. You are the future doctors. It gives a great right to educate and values. As a school, we committed to create an environment where the children can learn joyfully, think creatively, speak confidently, grow strong moral values. We will continue strengthening the academics. Spoken English classes, digital classes, activity-based learning, overall personality development. On this Independence Day, let me make some few promises. Listen here. On this Independence Day, make some promises along with me. Put your hands on your heart. Put like this. Put like this. All. Put like this. And put your hands like this. All everyone. And stay with me. We will respect our national flag. Say loudly, I am not hearing. Is my voice audible? Put your hands on the heart. We will respect our national flag and our constitution. We will keep our surroundings clean. We will help those in need. We will avoid discrimination. We will work hard. We will make our parents, teachers proud. We will make our teachers, parents proud. Dear students, whenever you see the Tiranga, Tiranga. What is the Tiranga? How many colors do you have in your national flag? 3. So that is called Tiranga. Remember that it represents the sacrifice of million Indian leaders. Let me remind you that you are capable of achieving greater things. If you work hard, if you dedicate your hard work to the work you have put, you can get the nice output. You can be successful in your life. Never think that you are small. You should dream big. When you are dreaming big now, you can achieve greater things. If you are sitting in a comfort zone, you can't achieve anything. You have to move big, think big, do work hard. Every greater leader once as a student. Every greater achievement begins with a small step. Every greater success will start with a small step. You have to grow step by step. Every greater achievement will start with the small steps. Let us dream for the India, educated, united, peaceful and innovative and compensation. Let us become a citizen who contribute to the society and bring honor to the nation. Before I conclude, once again thank correspondent madam, teachers and staff members, parents, all the students for making this celebration meaningful and memorable. Thank you to all. Let us stand together and with the pride and say Jai Hind, Jai Telangana, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much.